Picking a beard trimmer in 2026 isn't simple. Some cut close, some are better for clean lines, and some just feel cheap. So, I picked 5 of the best trimmers you can buy right now. And yeah, the best one might not be the most expensive. But before we jump in, here are 3 quick things you should know. 1. Check the length settings. More options means better control. 2. Think about battery life. A good trimmer should last through multiple sessions. 3. Don't ignore design. Comfort, grip, and easy cleaning matter a lot. Let's get into it. At number 5, the Wahl Aqua Blade Deluxe Trimmer. Alright, let's talk about the Wahl Deluxe Aqua Blade. Is it just another shiny piece of plastic? They're bragging about extreme precision. Usually that's pure marketing garbage, but this edge actually looks sharp. 12 guide combs. Seriously? Who has time to sift through all that? But hey, at least they give you options. 4 detachable heads. You get your standard, your micro detailer, and the classic nose hair ripper. Wait for it. A lifetime blade warranty? Okay, that is a game changer. Here's the real kicker. It's fully wet/dry. Take it in the shower, blast it in the sink. This thing is an absolute beast with water. Battery life? 2.5 hours on a 1-hour charge. No more leaving it plugged in all night. And if you're the kind of guy who forgets to charge it, a 3-minute quick plug gives you 5 minutes of use. 0 excuses. It packs worldwide voltage so you won't fry it overseas. Honestly, for the price, not a total ripoff. Wahl keeps proving why they stick around. Let's keep it real for a second. Buy it if you want waterproof grooming, you want extra attachments. Don't buy it if you have sensitive skin, you want faster full area shaving. And now, let's move on to number 4. At number 4, the Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer. This one feels super modern. It has a digital touchscreen and a crazy 175 length settings. So, if you want very precise control, this trimmer really stands out. It uses one beard guide and adjusts in tiny steps for a clean, exact trim. You can even save up to 4 memory settings. Battery life is up to 50 minutes. It's also USB chargeable and washable, which makes it great for travel or everyday use. The downside? The touchscreen can be annoying, especially if your hands are wet. Buy it if you want ultra-precise length control. You like smart features and memory settings. Don't buy it if you prefer simple controls. You often trim with wet hands. And now, let's move on to number 3. At number 3, the Wahl Professional Half Pint Trimmer. This one is all about travel. It's small, lightweight, and runs on just one AA battery. So yeah, you don't need a charger, an outlet, or any extra hassle. It has a plastic body and comes with trimming guides for simple touch-ups. And even though it's tiny, the motor is surprisingly strong. The catch is pretty simple. It's loud, and the small blade means more passes. It's best for short beards, quick cleanups, and travel use. Buy it if you want a compact travel trimmer you like battery-powered convenience. Don't buy it if you want faster trims on a full beard you need lots of length options. And now, let's move on to number 2. At number 2, the King C Gillette Beard Trimmer PRO. This is a great value pick if you want strong performance without spending too much. It has a plastic body and gives you 40 length settings, so there's plenty of control for different beard styles. You also get interchangeable combs, a cleaning brush, and a travel bag. And yes, it works cordlessly too. It's powerful, easy to use, and simple to rinse underwater for cleaning. The downside? Hair can get stuck under the adjustment wheel, so cleaning takes a little more effort. Buy it if you want strong value and solid power. You want lots of length options. Don't buy it if you want super easy cleanup. You hate hair getting trapped in small parts. And now, let's move on to number 1. And at number 1, the Wahl Lithium Ion Plus Stainless Steel Grooming Kit. This is the best overall pick because it combines power, precision, and a really premium feel. Alright, let's talk grooming. This Wahl Lithium Ion Plus? Honestly, it doesn't look like cheap plastic trash. But is it just a pretty face? Boom, self-sharpening blades. None of that dull, hair-pulling nonsense. Slices like butter. Crisp lines, no redness. I respect that. 4 interchangeable heads. So yeah, you can finally hack away those rogue nose hairs. 12 guide combs. It's basically a barbershop in a box. Total game changer. Look at this brushed stainless steel. Feels like an absolute beast, not a toy. Worldwide voltage means no blown fuses abroad. Smart LED tells you when it's juiced. I hate guessing. A ridiculous 3-hour runtime. Forget to charge? A 1-minute quick charge literally saves your morning. Clean up and admire the masterpiece. Seriously, this trimmer is legit. Wahl, made in the USA. If you're still using a cheap plastic ripoff, throw it in the trash. Buy it if you want the best all-around trimmer. You want power, precision, and long battery life. Don't buy it if you want something fully waterproof. You want the easiest cleaning experience. And honestly, for most people, this is the one to beat. So, those were the best beard trimmers of 2026. But the right one really depends on your style and budget. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite in the comments.